Welcome to Guide Up. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to add admin on Facebook page on your iPhone. For that, firstly, you need to have the Facebook application and make sure you are logged into your account. Here you can see I am at my Facebook. Now all you need to do is tap on the menu at the bottom right. You will be now lead to this kind of interface, and at the top you can see gear icon. You can tap on that. Now again you will be lead to settings and privacy page where you need to scroll down, and there you can see this option audience and visibility, and below that you can find various options, and there you will be seeing an option page setup. Currently I don't have that option, but I will be guiding you further. Here you will be seeing an option of page setup. You need to simply tap on that. After that you will be lead to another page where you will be seeing people with Facebook access. Now in order to add new, you will be seeing an option add new. Just beside that you have to tap on that. After that you will be lead to another page where you need to search the name or username of the person that you want to have the Facebook access of this page. And after choosing the person that you want to add admin on your Facebook page, you need to simply toggle on allow this person to also have full control option, which you will be seeing at the downside. And after that, there you will be seeing an option of give access. You have to tap on that. After you have done selecting give access, you need to enter your profile password. And after that, you will be seeing that it sends an invite to the person to become an admin on your Facebook page. And they'll have 31 days to accept that. Once they do it, they will become an admin on your Facebook page. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Guide Up. Thank you.